All right, so this is a review of the 1/2" drive, icon, the click type torque wrenches, fixed head, and the flex head. So these things are so long, I gotta hold it this time, man. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, man. Look at how big that thing is, man. So I'm not gonna go through these. I mean, it's just the same thing as the other one. But yo, look at this, homie. Damn. Yo, this is yo, this is heavy. And it's got the locking collar again. Yo, let's see how this feels. Yo, that's pretty stiff. You know, he's got a little bit of oil on there. And yep, 90 tooth again. So it's got that nice chrome polish. It's got that QC tag on it. Yep, just the same thing as the other one. Well, it is definitely feels a lot tougher. So I really like this knurling on here. They even put a little center point for so that way you can measure where the center line is at when you're applying your force and you're doing your calculations with the torque adapter. Real beefy, homie. Let's take a look at the flex head 1/2". There you go again. Oh, had a little bit of debris here, but yep, it's got that knurling, locking collar, and then this one's got that flex head. Damn. There you go. Get that flex. Real beefy, homie. Check out that chrome polish. See how this sounds? Now that's interesting. You know, the flex head actually sounds a little bit different than the fixed head one. It almost sounds tighter. But, you know, it feels really good actually. So there's that long end you got there. I mean, it looks like it's a total of about 30 degrees, maybe 15 up, 15 down. So there you go. And lifetime warranty on these. So that was just a quick review of the 1/2". Since we got the Capri adapters in 1/2", let's go ahead and open that up. Right there. Got the Capri. You guys saw this during the toolbox build out. Hell yeah. Look at this big dog right here, man. Look at that. 24 milli right there, homie. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks on this thing. see how it looks. Let's see how it looks on the big dog. Oh, damn. Oop, all the way. Hell yeah. Can't wait to be wrenching like this all day, every day, man. Ooh, look at that. Looking good. We be torquing it up, homie, with the Icon and the Capri. Lifetime warranty. Yay, yay. All right, so we're gonna do the damn thing, man. Done with that. That's just another quick review for you guys. And after this, we're gonna look at the Sour Cup digital torque wrenches. Right down there. So stay tuned.